Click on the link below to get price. The Leviton Extreme 6 Plus QuickPort Connector is an exceptional product that stands out in the crowded category of networking components. Specifically designed for Cat6 applications, this connector delivers high performance and reliability, making it a top choice for both professional installers and DIY enthusiasts. One of the most notable features of the Extreme 6 Plus is its robust construction. The connectors are made from durable materials that ensure longevity and resilience against wear and tear. Furthermore, the connectors are designed to minimize crosstalk and interference, which is crucial for maintaining high-speed data transmission. This reliability is underscored by the product's compliance with TIA/EIA standards, making it suitable for various networking environments. Installation is remarkably straightforward. The QuickPort design allows for quick and easy termination, significantly reducing installation time. Each connector is easy to handle, and the clear color-coded wiring scheme simplifies the process, even for those who may not have extensive networking experience. The connectors securely fit into Leviton's QuickPort wall plates and patch panels, providing a clean, professional appearance. In terms of performance, the Extreme 6 Plus connectors support up to 10 gigabit Ethernet, making them future-proof for upcoming networking needs. With a bandwidth capacity of up to 550 MHz, these connectors provide high-speed connections that can handle demanding applications, including video streaming and gaming. Packaging is another highlight. The 150 pack option offers excellent value, especially for larger installations or projects. This bulk option means you won't run out mid-job, ensuring a seamless installation process. Overall, the Leviton Extreme 6 Plus QuickPort Connector is a stellar choice for anyone looking for reliable, high-performance networking components. Its combination of durability, ease of installation, and outstanding performance makes it a worthwhile investment, whether for a home office, commercial environment, or structured cabling project. Highly recommended for anyone serious about building a robust and efficient network.